Toastmaster Riaz, contestant number 8.
Listening to the speech, I was reminded of these famous lines of a poet: to see the world in a grain of sand and to see eternity in a moment of time. So in these 7 minutes, she's managed to traverse the entire lifetime. That was the beauty of the speech. Now let me focus on the highlights of the speech. First of all, the structure was completely sequential, so we knew what is going to come next. The other highlight of the speech was the language. It was wonderful language. It was filled with alliterations. For example, disguise disasters as distractions, and there are a lot of them I could note, but the language was a highlight of her speech. And the beginning was very attractive, wherein she actually gave the gesture of a mother holding a child, and immediately it caught my attention. And from that point till the end, my attention was completely on her speech. So that is the highlight of her speech. Now let me talk about how she could have done this speech better. To start with, I got lost in the data. I felt there was a lot of data coming in terms of at every age there was a certain description, and it looked like a free-form poetry rather than a speech. A speech, I believe, should have a proper beginning. I would say maybe like a movie, a beginning, a message, an ending. That was something I could not really find out in the speech. The second thing which I felt was she could improve is the voice. I felt was trailing off towards the last words. Number of sentences, I could not really grasp what she was talking about. So all in all, if I have to summarize, I would say the choice of topic was excellent. The structure was very nice. It was a sequential structure. The language was beautiful. It added to the beauty of the speech. Improvements is in terms of the content. It could be made in a way that the audience is not lost in data, or I could not grasp so much of data. So all in all, I enjoyed the speech wherein a mother talks to a child and has these thoughts about how her entire life is going to go, and to crunch all this in 7 minutes is truly creditable. Over to you.